here is the course. Here's what you all chose. And here are the averages. Wait, what? The Wonders and Powers chose the same path? What are the odds of that happening? Wow. See for yourself. Wow. Finland, your team ended up with the exact path that you PM'd me. For that feat of extreme luck, I guess, you get your second win token. You can only use one at a time, though. Trying to rest on your laurels, Canada and South Korea? Your team needs you. You can't just sit back and let everyone else do all the work. Let's start. So, all the teams got to the end without a collision. Good for them, I guess. The Western Wonders are the winners, the Eastern Elites are interesting. Hey! And the Pacific Powers are up for elimination. So yeah, vote for Argentina, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Japan, Korea, or US.